Welcome to CBSplit Screencasts. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to use the Sticky.io funnels module inside CBSplit. Step 1. Connect your Sticky.io account. From the top navigation, click on Sticky.io, then select Accounts. To add your Sticky.io account, click the plus button in the top right corner. Enter your domain, username, and password. For this demo, we've already connected our CBSplit Sticky.io account. Once your Sticky.io account is connected and you've added products, campaigns, and shipping methods there, you can fetch that data into CBSplit to configure your funnel. Let me quickly show you what that looks like. Under the Products section in Sticky.io, you'll see we've created multiple products. These are pulled directly into CBSplit. You can verify that all products, campaigns, and shipping methods have been fetched correctly. Step 2. Build a funnel. Now that products, campaigns, and shipping methods are synced, let's create a funnel. Go to the Funnels tab under the Sticky.io menu. Click the plus button at the top right to create a new funnel. Enter a name for your funnel, select a campaign from Sticky.io, and choose the funnel steps. You can also choose to automatically generate the order page, summary page, and more using the checkboxes. For this example, we'll create the steps manually. We've named our funnel Vitality Funnel and selected a campaign called Vitality Campaign. Step 3. Add funnel steps. Click the Add Step button. A pop-up will appear. Enter a label for the first step. We'll call this step Landing Page. Now select which products to include in this step. We're selecting 3 variations of Vega Omega 3, which will be displayed in a pricing table. Next, add step 2, labeled Upsell. Here, we'll select the 10-bottle set as the upsell product. This offer will appear after the user completes their purchase on the landing page. Step 4. Configure the funnel pages. In the Setup tab of your funnel, assign the following: Order page, Retry page, Thank you page, Error page. Once these are selected, your funnel setup is complete. Step 5. Add funnel links to your pages. With the funnel created, it's time to add the funnel snippet code to your landing page and upsell page. These snippets are typically added to Add to Cart buttons or product call to action areas. Step 6. Test your funnel. Time to test the experience. Visit step 1 of your funnel, the landing page. Navigate to the pricing table where we placed the funnel links. Click Add to Cart to proceed. The funnel snippet will now redirect you to the Sticky.io checkout or order page. We'll use the Sticky.io test credit card to complete this order. Fill out the checkout form and submit. After the order is placed, you'll be redirected to the upsell page. Click the Yes, Add to My Order button to accept the upsell. And finally, we land on the order summary page, the last step of the funnel. Step 7. Confirm your order in Sticky.io. Log into your Sticky.io dashboard. Go to the Customers menu and click on Orders. You'll see the test order you just placed in CBSplit. That's how easy it is to create and test a Sticky.io funnel using CBSplit. Thanks for watching. Now go build something amazing.